My name is Vidya. I'm from KIMS Hubli. I got a rank of 61 in the present NEET. Preparation, I actually seriously started my preparation from February of 2020. It was when the internship got over and we had all enrolled in the Bhatia Coaching Institute. But then it was initially supposed to be offline, but only we had one class which was offline and then it started online. So typical day was in the initial 5 or 6 months up to September, it would be like the classes were going, online classes would go on for up to 8 or 9 sometimes, and then we had to revise whatever was taught, and the next day again new topics would be taken up. After each class, I used to read whatever was taught in the class, and the next day I used to solve some of the MCQs before the class. And then managing revisions, again, it is not the number of revisions that will matter, the quality of revisions will obviously matter. But then because we had postponement twice, we had got, I think, the double or triple the number of time available for revision. So I did at least 5 or 6 more than that revisions possible, I think. I had written the NEET last year during my internship. I got a rank of nearly 50,000, and the recent in this year I wrote the INI CET exam. I had got a rank of 272. In Bhatia, I think all the faculties are very nice. The medicine, Tamim sir is very good, and anatomy, Dr. Ashwin sir is very good. Then every other faculty is also nice. Nasir sir in microbiology is very good, and pathology, Dr. Praveen sir has also taught us very nicely. All the concepts are very clear here. Something extra that we need to do is have patience. In competitive exams like this, I think patience is one thing that everyone should have, especially when you during this COVID time when the exams keep postponing now and then. You should always have this dream rank of yours, or at least within this much in your mind, and then keep studying. And then support of your family also will matter during this time, and also keep in contact with your friends. It's not for comparing like what you have done or what is your rank and what is their rank. It's just for motivating each other that you whatever topics you have studied or whatever topics you are not clear in, explaining it to them. This was very beneficial for me, especially discussing some of the topics, explaining it to your friends, and especially when you have classes that are going online, when you are not in contact with people, it is then we need to call up your friends and take some motivation from them whenever your ranks are low, or motivate them whenever their ranks are low. DBMCI has played a very important role in this preparation. First, all the concepts, again, all the teachers are very good, all the concepts are made very much clear here. And the thing is that even after so many postponement, even after our batch finished, they had new batches, but still teachers had given equal importance even to our batch. Every time the exams got postponed, they kept motivating us. Every time they used to personally speak to us. We could have contacted them personally also whenever we felt it difficult to keep our pace on. During this preparation, even the basic knowledge that you gain from your mother college becomes very important. I am very much thankful to KIMS Hubli, whatever rank I have got, because the basic things that I had learned are all from there only. Preparing, then advising those who want to prepare for these exams. It is that have patience. You should have a lot of strength. There are hurdles coming every now and then. I always used to think after every exam, especially when you have INIs coming in between and when your rank sometimes falls off, when you are not meeting your expectations, it is even in this NEET, or for all those who have not scored that good or who are not satisfied or want to do still more, I have only one thought कि हारता वो नहीं है जो कभी नहीं गिरता, हारता वो है जो गिरकर कभी उठ नहीं पाता. That is why please stand up and you can still prepare very nicely, I think.